In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your camera on Microsoft Teams so you can troubleshoot before any video meeting or call. Having a well-functioning camera not only enhances your professional presence but also ensures that communication is seamless and efficient during your calls. So, let's dive in and set you up for success in your next video call. First, you'll want to start by opening the Microsoft Teams application on your device. Once you've launched the app, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already. Microsoft Teams is designed to be intuitive, but knowing your way around can make things smoother. If you haven't signed into your account yet, go ahead and do so. This is done using your usual login credentials. Remember, staying logged in can save you time when you're preparing for a meeting. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of the Teams interface where you'll find a row of menu icons. Find the Settings option within this area by clicking on your profile picture or initials. Clicking on it will bring up a menu where you can access your application settings. Here, you'll see a list of adjustable options. However, for camera testing, we're going to focus on one specific tab. Click on the Devices tab when you're in the Settings menu. This tab houses all your device settings, including your camera, microphone, and speakers. It's like the command center for all the hardware operations within Teams. Now, ensure that your correct camera is selected in the Camera section. If you notice multiple options listed, it may mean you have more than one camera attached to your device, which is common with external webcams. Select the one you intend to use. If you're unsure, switch between them to preview each one. Speaking of previews, this is the golden feature for testing. Right next to the selected camera, you should see a preview box displaying live video feed from your camera. Take a good look at what's being shown. This is exactly what others will see in a call, so you want to ensure that the camera quality is up to par and the angle is flattering and professional. Make any necessary adjustments. Sometimes the lighting or placement isn't ideal, so take a few moments to tweak it for the best result. Good framing and lighting can make a world of difference in the way you're perceived. Finally, if there are any issues, check if another application is using the camera or test with a different app to isolate the problem. Restarting Teams or even your computer can resolve minor issues. And just like that, you've effectively ensured that your camera will perform well in your next Microsoft Teams meeting. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.